So what we're going to do today is a disconnected, graduated, layered haircut. As you can see, I've already got the top sectioned off. That's going to be the disconnection. The top is going to overhang over this right side, which I am currently layering. So that's where the disconnection and the layering are going to come from. And then we'll do a little bit of graduation just to shape up the shape. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm taking sections on the right side to basically take the right side down nice and tight. Now, not super tight, as you can see. We're not using any clippers or scissors over comb necessarily, but we're just taking those layers nice and short and nice and tight. So once I've completed cutting the layers through the right side, I will then continue cutting these layers on the back. And then I'll work my way from the left side to the back. And of course, at that point, we'll have all our layering completed throughout the interior of the haircut. Alright, so now it's time to continue the layering on the back right side. Now, I determine the side on anything that's in front of the ear, and I determine the back on anything that's behind the ear. Then, of course, you've got the back, the center back. So right now, I'm on the back side behind the ear. Of course, I'm working my way now to the center back. So I'm going to work all the way around until I get to the center, at which point then I will address the left side. Alright, so now it is time to bring down that top section that's going to hang over that disconnected section we just got done cutting. So, as you can see, I'm combing it over, and then I'm going to establish the outline here on the right side. Alright, so now it is time to do the layering on the left side, which you can see I'm doing right here. We've already completed the right side. We've already completed the top as far as the drop down, as far as establishing the outline, I should say, of the drop down. And now we're just going to finish the left side, and then we will wrap up the haircut. now that the layering is completed, it is now time to establish the desired outline that you're going for. So you have the choice to create whatever kind of outline you want. You can leave it up to your creativity and imagination, but this is where you're going to take the points of your scissors and basically chip in right there the desired outline. So as you can see, the hair is now dry, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to go through and clean up the layers on the top, ever so slightly. I'm not taking a whole bunch off, just taking a little bit off just to clean them up so that it keeps the top more full and more lighter, so it's not heavy and lays flat on my model's face. So right here, going through just layering up the top, and now as you can see, we're all done with this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe, and I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.